Okay, so here is the Be Quiet Pure Wings 2. It's a big boy compared to your 120mm fan, which is 12 centimeters, because it's 140 millimeters, and that's measured by this edge, not across. And so here's a better look at the box. This side we have Russian, 3-year warranty. We also have Deutsch. I don't know how to say that one in English. And closer look at those specs, up to 1,000 RPM, which is not that fast actually, but since it's such a big fan, it can push more air without spinning as fast, which also means it might even last longer. It has 9 blades and special marketing bearings. We also have, I think that's Polish and Espanol. And we're back to the front, and the rest of the box is unremarkable, so let's go inside. Or try. It's a little bit tricky. Right off the bat, we have screws for countersunk holes. And we have a very big fan, and that's all we get. 4 pins. I have the PWM version, as you can see here. And you can tell that it's almost minimalistic, not in terms of design, but in terms of the amount of plastic used, because even though it's quite rigid, there's, well, they've saved a lot of plastic here, so take with that what you will. It doesn't seem like it's lower quality. In fact, it looks pretty fancy for having a little bit less plastic on the edges there. So, yeah, and you can, if you don't want the wire to go like that, you can route it under these screw holes here, or try. Maybe not. I'll have to experiment with that. But in any case, yeah, you can't do that. But yeah, so you see the 9 blades as advertised. There's a little bit of like rippling here. It's not very, it's not super prominent, like you can, it's not like massive ripples, but it's there, and it's there on the other side too. The fan blades, by the way, are pretty thick. And you can see what it says here on the back. It actually has some nice orange labeling. Yeah, and it spins this way, in case you were wondering. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.